Let's look at some tools for basic techniques. Once you have your clay conditioned, you can use the acrylic clay roller for smoothing and flattening it into a sheet. Just roll and turn. You can take it one step further with the clay conditioning machine. Just insert your clay between the rollers and turn gently. Once you put it back through, you'll want to fold the clay in half to double it. Always put the folded side in first, pushing the air bubbles out the back. This provides you with a really smooth, even, consistent sheet, which is perfect for advanced techniques like millefiori canes. Another great tool is a super slicer with comfort handles. You get 4 blades in the pack. This is the rigid blade. There's also a flexible blade for cutting curves. There's a wave blade and a rickrack. And the handles are completely interchangeable. They're so easy to put on. Just line up the back of the handle with the holes in the blade, sandwich the blade between the 2 handles, and put the saddle on top. The saddle has a circle self-checking device right here just to make sure you've put it on correctly. The rigid blade is what I use to section down a block of clay before I run it through the clay conditioning machine. You'd never want to just force a whole block of clay through here. What I want to do is take my rigid blade and cut down through the block, cutting it into slabs that will fit more easily through the clay conditioner. Then I'm ready to roll. The rigid blade is also great for just cutting straight lines all the way across a sheet that's been put through the clay conditioning machine. The flexible blade is super versatile. It gives you the ability to cut curves for intricate shapes. The wave blade cuts a nice wave, and this will come in handy later when you're working with mokumegane or other advanced techniques. And the rickrack is another option. It's like the wave, only it just gives you a very much finer cut. Next, the needle tool is another just super basic tool, and our needle tool comes with a safety cap. The needle tool is perfect for adding details and designs for etching in clay, and it's also my favorite tool for bead piercing. All you do is take a soft or raw clay, and just gently drill the tool through until you barely feel it come out the other side, and then turn the bead around and poke through again. This will give you a really nice even hole before baking beads. Now it's time for you to select your colors, condition your clay, and start to create. It's fun, easy, and quick.